Hi there, Stephen here from Bräu Supply, and today I want to talk to you about our ETC controller. The ETC controller is a very simple plug-and-play temperature control device which is used to regulate the temperature of your beer brewing elements as well as regulating your temperature in fermentation. So it is a dual stage controller, which means that it automatically switches from heating to cooling as needed. When using the controller for brewing, it senses temperature to 1/10 of a degree, and I find it to be extremely accurate. In fact, as accurate as any RTD sensor that I've used for brewing beer. So RTDs are really known to be very precise, but we've designed our sensors to work to a very high level of precision, and they're designed to work with the brains in this system. So the controller is it's very easy to program. You know, it's simple up and down temperature, and then press set to set your temperature, your mash temperatures, or your fermentation temperature. And it has a three-way switch here, so it can go from mash to off and to boil. So when the controller is in mash mode, what it's doing is it's sensing temperature and it's turning on and off as needed according to the settings in your controller and what the sensor is reading. Now, in off mode, you can switch the power to the elements off, and in boil mode, you're bypassing and you're going straight to maximum power. So for 120 volts, that's how you would do it. When you're finished your mash, instead of resetting your temperature, you can just put it into boil mode and it'll bring it to boil. It has a boil alert feature, which is customizable, and you can set it, you can change your boil alert temperature according to your climate elevation. Being a dual stage controller, it's got two outputs in the back. It's got a cooling output and a heating output, and then of course there's a pump switch on the front, which is right here, and your pump output in the back. It has a computer type of cord disconnect, so these are C13s, and then as well it's got a quick disconnect for the probe with an alert when the probe doesn't have contact. Quick disconnect at this end, and the probes, the sensors, they're designed to work with any of our brewing systems having 1.5-inch tri-clover clamp fittings, and of course they're made from 304 stainless steel. I think that pretty much sums it up. If you want any more information, you can check it out on brewsupply.com. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.